Oh, good morning, gang. I woke up at 5, called my coworker to wake her up at 5 so we could both go to the gym, separate gyms. She goes to her own gym with her friend. I go to my gym. It's just, everybody needs a little help waking up in the morning. But anyway, I went back to sleep. I made that mistake, so I'm gonna get ready for work, and I guess, I don't know, dude, I'll bring you with me. What if I just put it here? Does that work? Can't see anything. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure this out. That doesn't really work. Huh. Is this too close to my face? Someone tell me if this is too close to my face. I'm driving to work. I'm really tired. I didn't go to the gym. What a mistake. It's okay. Probably not gonna go later. Probably just gonna go home and cry about it. But that's okay. That is okay. That is how we operate when blah 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 blah. Who knows? I don't know. Screw it. All right, maybe this will work. Hopefully this works. This kind of looks a little silly. I kind of feel a little silly holding it this way. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't know if the sound travels well enough, or I don't know what speakers are actually used for the front-facing camera, but I don't know. We're gonna go with this. We're gonna hope that this is good, and blah, 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 blah. It is so hot in my car so fast. Why? Oh, because coworker problems. Man, I hope the quality's good. Oh my goodness, I really need like a holster or a selfie stick if I'm gonna start filming like this, because oh my goodness. When I get to the office, I'm gonna read the book, because I haven't done that in a couple days, and I think it's time. I think it's time we do that. Okay, I guess you can cut in there, that's fine, I guess. Stupid. So today, I wanna do an update after every dial hour just to see how that comes out, so I think that's what I'm gonna try to do today while I'm at the office. Should I try to get points, like hit people, right? That's probably a good, no? I don't know. If I could skip work for the gym, I would, to be honest with you. I hope I'm recording. That would be so awkward if I'm just holding my phone like this and I'm just straight up not recording. I'd be like, oh, good. Love that. I really hope this comes out good. I don't want to have to like redo this by any means. I don't know if it's too close, I don't know if it's too far, maybe I should have zoomed out a little bit. Who the heck cares? Not I, said Sam, eating his green eggs and ham. Alright, I'm almost at work. I am already mentally drained because I just never have any days off, man. Like, I get maybe 1 or 2 Saturdays off a month, and that's it, because I have 2 jobs and one of them doesn't pay me enough, if that makes sense. But that's okay. That is what I signed up for. Yeah. Alrighty, it is March 6th. I just pulled up to the office and I'm going to read today's passage before I go inside. Misbelief. Shifting our misbelief is our assignment. Making a shift in our thinking is easier to agree than to do. Easier to agree to than to do. Why is that, we wonder? Perhaps it's because having to change a thought implies we were wrong initially. We hate being wrong. Shifting our viewpoint, on the other hand, is quieter and less dramatic, needing little explanation. Fortunately, that's all that's asked of us here. But what is the misbelief we're courting? In the particular, it's something different for everyone, but in general, all of us are asked to believe that nothing here in this life really means anything. The experiences are nothing more than simple assignments for learning to believe that the Holy Spirit can answer all questions, smooth all troubled waters, and offer us unending peace. How long it takes us to learn this depends on our willingness to shift our misbelief. If any situation is causing us stress, it's time to ask for another vision. Until we ask, our belief cannot change. A tiny change in how I see something today can create a big change in my life. So take that as you will. It's left open to interpretation, however you want to interpret that. What I would say is you are beautiful and have a great day. I will check in with you after our first dial hour. So it is 11:49. I definitely lied. I did not end up updating every hour after dials. I booked 5 appointments today, so like that's cool. Took me 3 hours, booked 5 appointments, not bad. We'll see if they pan out to anything. That's kind of the frustrating part, is just because you booked an appointment doesn't mean it's gonna amount to anything. So that's kind of like, You know, that's where the mental fortitude has to come in to play. But that's okay, you know, whatever. What's important is that I'm going to Taco Bell right now. Do you remember I was telling you about those sliders? The, what's it called? The Crunchwrap sliders. I'm gonna go try them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive there, I'm gonna get them, and then I'm gonna review them, I guess, for you, just for funsies. This isn't a review channel. This is a day in the life of Norb living his life. So check back soon. My brain hurts, I wanna nap. Can't wait for Taco Bell Crunchwraps. I wonder what would happen if Steve Carell were the same person. I wonder how that would change things up in America. Bag is secured. I'm gonna drive back to the office now, and I will let you know how it tastes and what it's like. If it's good, if it's bad, it's probably gonna be good. Taco Bell made it. I will let you know when I get back to the office how good it is, but until then, watch me drive, bitches. I really wish that there was a way that I never ever had to drive again. Like, if I could run 100 miles an hour, that would be better. Man, I still think Taco Bell should make boofable food. If none of you know what that means, just look it up. And you'll agree with me, I promise you. I think that's a whole new market that Taco Bell could open up, as long as it's digestible in that fashion. But I don't know. Rumbly dumbly dumperson. Alrighty, I'm back at the office parking lot. I have these Crunchwrap sliders. They are adorable. They are so small. They look good. I can't wait to fucking eat them. It comes with this like green chile queso sauce. So look at that. You want to see that? Okay, cool. Look good. Let's give it a try. I almost spilled that all over my lap. I would have just gone home. I would have given up for the day. I would have quit. I would have admitted myself to the psych ward. So let's give it a gander. Okay. Dude, Taco Bell cooked. Another bite. If you haven't tried one of these, go try it. This is so good. The only complaint I have is that it's so expensive for how little it is. Okay, I promise you I didn't poop myself. I just spilled some of the queso, but man, that looks crazy. Okay, I spilled a lot of cheese. When I tried to clean it up, I kind of made more of a mess than actually spilling it. So had to fix that real quick. Gonna finish off this last slider. Dude, they smell and taste like happiness and new life, okay? So can't, I don't know how they make these so small. They could stand to make them a little bigger. $5.79, no sales tax. I love Taco Bell. Dude, fuck America runs on Dunkin'. America runs on Mexican-themed restaurants like Taco Bell. If you ever eat Taco Bell beef, bro, that's why you have the shits, okay? If you sub it out for steak or chicken, you will be fine. But anyway, I'm gonna eat my lunch. I'm gonna scroll through TikTok, and then I'm gonna go in for training. Not ready for that. I'll probably catch you. It's like 12 something right now. I'll probably come back at like 3. So talk soon. Tabby has finally joined the scene, and training is over. Oh, there's she. Yep, she's waving. We were just in training from 1 to 3. We have to go resubmit someone's payment information because they changed their bank account. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. Tabby just gave a beautiful presentation during our training. Do you want to see a couple clips? Here you go.
So yeah, if you keep like renewing every 20 years, the price is just gonna go up. Final expense is 100% risk, so insurance companies we're all talking numbers. We don't know if you're gonna get approved or not.
Right? Isn't she so great? Okay, we're gonna go to the appointment. Talk soon. Bye.
Wait, should I get tropical smoothie? I need food. Damn, I really want some fries too. Watch out.
Can you chill? I'm like, oh my gosh. Says the one who hits curbs. All right, so we just finished the appointment. There wasn't a whole lot of like cool stuff that happened while riding in the car because it's just been a long day. It's been a long week, honestly. Stop it. Can you? So anyway, to end the week, we're gonna go to get some smoothies and just vibe out and contemplate our lives. So that's what's happening right now. Be right back with smoothies.
No, just take them. Come on, give me.
All right, you can do it.
So we're at a local campus. I'm not gonna say the campus.
Of course.
Okay, but I'm gonna show you the campus. And then y'all can find it at Google Maps. So if you really want to track him down, let me give you some. Oh, I don't have like a long arm.
I know.
Damn. But yeah, we're about to go in. So I'm not really gonna take y'all in actually.
Just make sure when you start filming again, like if
Oh my god, I didn't mean.
The day is almost over. We got our smoothies. Thankfully, I got a kiwi quencher. She got a blimey something or other. I don't even know. The way we're gonna finish off the day is we're gonna go to the office. We're gonna go right back to the office. We're gonna turn in this form that we have to for a client, and then I'm gonna drive the fuck home, and I'm going to lay on my couch and pretend like none of this week happened. I'm gonna rest. And then I have to work tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday and Monday and
You are working tomorrow?
We have appointments tomorrow.
Oh, I thought you meant.
No, there were no shifts available, sadly. Maybe something fun will happen on the drive back. I don't know. I'll let you know. My phone's about to die, so I can't really film too much. But anyway, check back soon. So you want to hear something fucking crazy? Tabby celebrates her birth month.
No.
Which I was telling her what stereotypes go with that.
The beginning of the month is my month because we're the end. I don't really care.
That's not what she said at first.
No, I said week actually at first. Explain why I celebrated my birth week, okay? Because most of the time, well, honestly, it depends on when your birthday is, like which day it lands on. So I think mine's gonna land on a Sunday this year. So I'm gonna start celebrating my birthday like on a Thursday or Wednesday. You know, like go out to drink on a Thursday, go out to drink on a Friday, and then go to a club on Saturday. I'm just playing. But birthday trips, like 4 days, 5 days, like all those days are your birthday.
I don't think that's how that works.
Yes.
Dude, girls are weird.
And like let's say my actual birthday is on a Monday. Like I'm gonna celebrate that Monday of, but I'm gonna celebrate the weekend approaching that Monday. Like what you mean? This is normal.
If the only time that you celebrate yourself is your birthday, then go for it. Make it a whole week.
Are you mad at me today?
No? Why? Why would I be mad at you? I've never genuinely been mad at you.
Also, guys, do you guys hear that beeping sound? Is it bothering you out too?
Can you stop? Okay, I know. It's in every single one of my videos, and I hear it all the time. I always forget to put my seatbelt on. I get it. Okay.
AirPods users know what they mean. Like, they beep, beep.
Yeah, I'm sure they hear the beep, and they're like, bah, 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 bah. Just like I don't know how to joke, you don't know how to be playfully mean. You're just actually mean. You're like, die, stupid bitch. And I'm like, where's the playfulness? And you're like, well, dying is fun.
I think that just comes from a Mexican side, you know? We'll just be like, aggressive.
I know. I'm also just joking.
Anyway.
Tabby just asked me if I wanted to make a comment about her spinning. I don't know what that is.
Spending.
Oh, spending. Ah, that's so much. Why didn't you correct me sooner? What?
Sometimes I just like...
Spinning and spending are so different. Like, that makes no sense. All right, we're back at the office. We're going to submit that form. Tabby's offending me because she won't show me her leg hair. So I think I'm going to not talk to her. I'm not going to talk to her for 2 minutes.
I don't have leg hair.
All right. We just got back to the office, so we're going to run upstairs super quick, and we're going to submit that document for one of our clients, and then we're going to call it a day. Talk soon. I'll catch up with you when I'm leaving to go back home, okay? All right. Alrighty, friends, I am on the way home. Finally, I cannot wait to be home with my cat. I have a headache. I need to go home and edit this video and just forget that I have a job. But I just want to exist and swim. Boopy doopy doop. I think this weekend I'm gonna try to give myself a fade. If it's terrible, I'll just shave my head, but like a fade, like learning how to do my own fade, that would probably be pretty cool. I'm telling you, man, there is no better thing in life than having an animal at home. Then I'm gonna probably get super blitzed and play some Fortnite. Like, I don't know, dude. Alrighty, gang. I just got home. Today's done. The week is almost done. One more day. Well, 2 more days. I don't even know. I am going to go get blitzed, though. But before I do, would you like to see my cat? She is absolutely incredible. All right, gang, that's it for today. I will catch you tomorrow. Have a great night. I love you guys.